Alright, welcome to my next video. In the video today, I'm going to give you a hands-on and explain how you can import data from external Google spreadsheets, how you can copy and paste data from the website, or how you can use out-of-the-box OpenBOM add-ins for CAD system to import a complete set of data from your design and your CAD files. So let's take a look. So what you can see on the screen is the OpenBOM catalog, which is basically a database of items that I'm creating. So let's say I want to add a new item, and this is the item in this Granger catalog. So I can copy information and I can start bringing this information in the catalog. So I can import the item image, I can import description, and technically I can import any data. So that would be one easy way to do it. So now another way that I want to do is that I would like to bring some cost information that is in my Google spreadsheet. So let's say I have a Google spreadsheet and I would like to bring this cost information to OpenBOM. So everything I need to do is I need to import data. Now pay attention, what I will be doing, I would be merging this information inside of existing catalog. So the data that in the catalog already is there and it will stay. So let me take this spreadsheet and I'm importing this data and I am bringing this information, and you see the cost that I have in the spreadsheet imported and merged with the data in the catalog. So let me do the last thing that I want to demonstrate. If I want to enhance data in the catalog with some additional information, I can easily add additional property to the catalog. And let's say I want to add supplier part number. So supplier part number I can select from public properties, or I can select from private properties. So this is the text and I can easily add this information, and now I have a new property. So as you can see, OpenBOM, it's easy, it's like Excel. It's like Google spreadsheet that you can bring all information, but at the same time, it's a structure, it's data management, you have items, you have bill of materials, and you have all data that you need, and now I can put an additional information about supplier part number for this one. All right, another way to import data is to use OpenBOM out-of-the-box CAD add-ins. So navigate to our training library and take a look on the page which describes about import data from CAD system. So as you can see, it contains a list of popular out-of-the-box CAD add-ins. So you can install these CAD add-ins on your desktop, or you can connect to the CAD system if this is the cloud and online system. So once it's installed, OpenBOM one BOM click allows you to bring data with a single click. So you need to configure your setting, include your login and password information to OpenBOM, make a quick setup, and import data. So our training library contains a 5 minutes introductory video for each CAD system that we support. So navigate to training library and play these videos, install add-in, and experiment with the OpenBOM importing data directly from your CAD system. So as you can see in my video, you can easily import data from external sources. You can copy paste it from the website, you can import spreadsheet, or you can import data from a CAD system. Thank you very much. Make your experiments and try the importing of your existing data to OpenBOM, and I will talk to you in the next video.